Good morning student, I am your English teacher. Today I am going to explain poem 12 Tiny Tadpoles. So let's start the poem. Two tiny tadpoles swimming near the shore. Two tiny tadpoles. Tiny means छोटे, tadpoles मेंढक के बच्चे. Like this. Two tiny tadpoles swimming कर रहे थे, तैर रहे थे near the shore. पास में नदी के किनारे. Shore नदी का किनारा. Up swam another two and that made four. दो तैरकर ऊपर आ गए और वो 4 हो गए. दो तैरकर और ऊपर आ गए तो वो 4 हो गए. Four tiny tadpoles playing naughty tricks. Four tiny tadpoles play कर रहे थे naughty tricks. Naughty tricks means शरारती चालें. Up swam another two and that made 6. दो तैरकर और ऊपर आ गए और वो हो गए 6. दो तैरकर ऊपर आ गए और वो हो गए 6. 6 tiny tadpoles in a giddy state. 6 tiny tadpoles गिडी स्टेट में थे. गिडी स्टेट मीन्स चक्कर आ रहे थे, उनको चक्कर आ रहे थे. 6 tiny tadpoles को चक्कर आ रहे थे. Up swam another two and that made 8. दो तैरकर और ऊपर आ गए, अब वो हो गए 8. अब वो हो गए 8. 8 tiny tadpoles found a little den. 8 tiny tadpoles, 8 छोटे tadpoles ने फाउंड किया, ढूंढा एक छोटी डैन को. डैन मीन्स गुफा. डैन मीन्स गुफा. ढूंढा एक छोटी डैन को. Up swam another two and that made 10. दो तैरकर और ऊपर आ गए और वो बन गए 10. और वो बन गए 10. 10 tiny tadpoles in the mud dell. 10 tiny tadpoles ने मिट्टी में से खोज की. मिट्टी में से कुछ खोज रहे थे, कुछ गहरी खोज कर रहे थे. Up swam another two and that made 12. दो तैरकर और ऊपर आ गए और वो बन गए 12. 12 tiny tadpoles wriggling just for fun. 12 tiny tadpoles wriggle कर रहे थे just for fun, सिर्फ मजे के लिए. wriggle means इधर उधर लेटना. ओके, wriggling means इधर उधर लेटना, wriggle करना. 12 tiny tadpoles wriggle कर रहे थे सिर्फ फन के लिए. One called out, "There's the stroke." उनमें से एक चिल्लाया, एक बोला, "There's the stroke." वहाँ एक स्ट्रोक है. स्ट्रोक मीन्स सारस. And then there were none. And then there were none. और then तब वहाँ देखा तो कोई नहीं थे. वहाँ कोई नहीं थे. Because they had all hidden. क्योंकि वे सारे छिप गए थे. वे सारे छिप गए थे. Not because. इसलिए नहीं. They were all eaten. कि वो सारे खा लिए गए थे. वो सारे वहाँ पर कोई नहीं दिख रहे थे, इसीलिए क्योंकि वो सब हिडन हो गए थे, छिप गए थे. इसलिए नहीं कि वो सारे खा लिए गए थे. किससे? स्ट्रोक के द्वारा खा लिए गए थे. नहीं खा लिए गए थे, वे सारे छिप गए थे. Got it kids? Learn this poem with me. Okay? Two tiny tadpoles swimming near the shore. Up swam another two and that made 4. 4 tiny tadpoles playing naughty tricks. Up swam another two and that made 6. 6 tiny tadpoles in a giddy state. Up swam another two and that made 8. 8 tiny tadpoles found a little den. Up swam another two and that made 10. 10 tiny tadpoles in the muddy dell. Up swam another two and that made 12. 12 tiny tadpoles wriggling just for fun. One called out, "There's the stroke." And then there were none. Because they had all hidden, not because they were all eating. Kids, learn this poem. After explaining the poem, now I am going to start dictation and word meaning of the poem 12 tiny tadpoles. And the number 1 is tricks. 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 Number 2. A Another. 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 Number three. DELVE. 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 Number four. TADPOLES. 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 Number five. WRIGLING. Wriggling. 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 Question 2. Word meaning. And the number 1 is swimming. 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 Swimming means तैरना. Swimming means तैरना. Number 2. Den. Den means गुफा. Den means गुफा. गुफा. Den, गुफा. Number 3 is fun. 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 And fun means Anand. Fun means Anand. Number 4. HIDDEN. 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 Hidden means छिपा हुआ. छिपा हुआ. Hidden means छिपा हुआ. And the last number 5. Naughty. 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 Naughty means शैतान. Naughty means शैतान. Now I am going to start make sentence and question answer of the poem 12 Tiny Tadpoles. Let's start make sentence. Make sentence. Number 1, 10. And the sentence, the lion lives in a den. The lion lives in a den. Lion den में रहता है. Second is fun. F-U-N, fun. And the sentence, we have fun. We have fun on Sunday. We have fun on Sunday. हम संडे में फन करते हैं, मजे करते हैं. Number 3. Number 3 is hidden. Hidden. And the sentence, all tadpoles were hidden. All tadpoles were hidden. सारे tadpoles छिप गए थे. Hidden छिप गए. सारे tadpoles छिप गए थे. All tadpoles were hidden. And the last is naughty. Naughty. And the sentence, the monkey is a naughty animal. Naughty means shararti animal. The monkey is a naughty animal. Monkey एक शरारती जानवर है. The monkey is a naughty animal. Now start question answer of the poem 12 Tiny Tadpoles. Let's start question answer. And the question 1 is, where were the tadpoles swimming? Where were the tadpoles swimming? Tadpoles कहाँ तैर रहे थे? कहाँ तैर रहे थे? Where were the tadpoles swimming? And the answer is, they were swimming near the shore. They were swimming near the shore. वे तैर रहे थे पास में नदी के किनारे. शोर किनारा, नदी का किनारा, किनारे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, how many tadpoles playing naughty tricks. How many tadpoles were playing naughty tricks? It means कितने tadpoles naughty tricks शरारती चालें प्ले कर रहे थे? कितने tadpoles? How many tadpoles? And the answer is answer 2. 4 tadpoles. 4 tadpoles. 4 tadpoles playing naughty tricks. 4 tadpoles play कर रहे थे naughty tricks, शरारती चालें. Question number 3. What did the tadpoles find? What did the tadpoles find? Tadpole ने क्या find किया? क्या ढूंढा? And the answer is they found a little den. They found a little den. उन्होंने ढूंढी एक छोटी सी den. एक छोटी den. Den means गुफा. What did the tadpoles find? They found a little den. Now, kids, learn this poem and question answer, make sentence, dictation, word meaning 2.